My daughter just called me a bad name. I'm not gonna say what it is because people get, yeah.
It's not a bad name.
It's a terrible name. It's the worst name ever. You couldn't have possibly called me a worse name.
I mean, I can call you worse.
So there's over there. There's little bumps on the ground. They're like, I don't know, bumps on the ground and stuff.
Dad, put down the phone and stop trying to kill us.
You will mind your business.
I'm in the car too.
So there's a safety rest area where as I'm grinding around the road saying, "Oh,
give me the phone."
No, I'm driving.
Give me the thing.
Y'all make a video then. Y'all listen to the road scream. DWI, you can't afford it. That's what that sign told me. Turn sideways because it'll mess it up. And there's cotton everywhere, but nobody to pick it. And there's bumps on the ground. There's big ones, like mountain bumps.
Can I have cotton?
Pull. There's stupid back there. Here's me again.
And I'm here, and I'm making jokes. I've got all the jokes about cotton pickers, and they got cotton. They got windmills and pump jacks and cotton pickers. There's somebody over there picking something. What? You ain't making videos? What are you doing? What kind of angle film and video are you making? Don't look inside of my shoe.
He went down there.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Let's see your pores.
No zooming. That's terrible. Just film the stuff. It's all pretty out here. There's so much nothing.
It did nothing.
It's just nothing all the way until it turns blue and goes up.
There's this thing.
Not really sure what kind of trees those are, but there's like.
I think those are acacia.
There's like splotches of them where they're just completely dried up and dead, and there's just like 10 miles of it like that. I don't know what it is or why. Oh, there's another flag flying. Show the flag. Wind's blowing.
I don't think I got it. There's a tower. That thing looks a lot closer than it actually is.
Oh no, it's another blue thing.
What?
Oh god.
There's a blue thing over there.
First, I gotta be nice and let this guy in this white truck go around. We ate awesome burritos, and now I've got burps that smell like awesome burritos. If that's the thing anybody wanted to know. Are we still making videos?
Yes.
How long is it?
3 minutes and 33 seconds.
Well, we'll get you some more of this everything that's nothing. Mr. White Truck, you're going to have to move.
Nothing.
I'm not going to ask you very kindly again. I'm just going to trap you there behind that big blue
There's
box.
just a random little shed out there. Just speed up and go past them.
Oh my God.
Mikey, try and roll up your window.
No. It's just making weird noises.
Mister, you're gonna have to pick a lane.
A blue thing. Great.
Oh, they're from Wright, Texas. Okay, bye.
Alright.
Hooray!
And now we're going to slow down. Now all the signs that say no, slow, holding, slower. Bring it on down, slow her down. Here we go, slow it down.
Lola's dad told me that if I didn't like any roller coasters, I could just tell the roller coaster to stop. And I said, and then it was like so in the middle of like the Joker. Halt!
Halt!
Halt! You violated the law.
We are in Quanah, Texas.
Iguanas?
Quanah, where they got engines. And I don't mean dot engines, I mean engines. I'm not racist, I'm part engine. Y'all didn't know that.
Yes.
They are too.
Cherokee. Alright, 5 minutes and
Some
40
cousins that
seconds.
says we're Cherokees and some cousins that says we're Comanches, and I don't think any one of them have any idea what they're talking about.
Unless we got an ancestry test.
We're stuck between the wide load and the blinky guy and the blue box and that guy with the van. We're stuck here in Engine Town. Y'all know who Quanah Parker is?
What?
No.
Quanah Parker. Google. Find out. Learn things. Alright, go and turn that video off.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Okay, bye.